In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order tracking page on your Wix website. Adding this functionality is crucial for enhancing customer satisfaction by providing them with the convenience of tracking their orders directly from your site. Let's dive into the process and get this set up seamlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already and navigate to your site. This will typically be done through the Wix dashboard, where you'll see a list of your sites. Choose the one you want to enhance with order tracking. With your website chosen and open, direct your attention to the search bar, which is your gateway to adding new apps and functionalities. In this case, type in Aftership, which is the app we'll be using to provide the order tracking service. Aftership is known for its easy integration with various platforms, including Wix, and is renowned for its reliable order tracking capabilities coupled with SMS notifications. Once you've entered Aftership into the search bar, you should see a suggestion or link to Aftership order tracking and SMS. Clicking on this will take you to its app details page. Here, you'll need to click on Add to Site. This action prompts a window where you must agree to their terms. Carefully review these terms, and if everything looks good to you, go ahead and click Agree and Add. This step is essential as it binds the app's functionality to your website. Following this, you'll be prompted to log into the Aftership interface. Just use your existing account credentials if you have them, or set up a new account if prompted. Once logged in, Aftership will guide you through a series of prompts designed to help you seamlessly integrate the order tracking feature with your website. These prompts are straightforward and guide you through configuration settings to ensure the application is tailored to your preferences. After completing these prompts, the order tracking functionality will be successfully integrated into your Wix site. This integration will immediately empower your customers to track their orders, providing real-time updates and peace of mind regarding their purchases. Ensuring this process is completed accurately is integral to improving the overall customer experience on your site. Customers will no longer have to wonder about the status of their orders. Instead, they can easily access this information directly, which enhances their trust in your service and can drive repeat business. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated an order tracking page on your Wix website. With Aftership, you've added an invaluable tool that not only keeps your customers informed, but also positions your brand as reliable and customer-focused. Thank you for following along, and feel free to explore other enhancements that can make your Wix site even more customer-friendly.